Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a starter character in Roblox Studio. First, I used a little character inserter. I click on presets and I got this. So now I'm going to use this, and any character any starter character needs to be named starter character. This has to be named this or else it won't work. And then you're going to go down here, put it in the starter player. And when you click play, I'm gonna go here, and if you can't move, it's because the player is anchored. Now, if I click this, I go home, I click anchor, and I click on anchor. I click that, and then now we have a player that can move and plays animations that is a custom starter character.